So good evening, everyone. Today I'll be talking about epilepsy and the various herbs they can use to cure it. Epilepsy is basically a disorder characterized by recurrent seizure, which are caused by maybe mild electrical fluctuations within the brain cells. So the nerve cells actually are in a state of a bit of a transient lack of impulse flow. So you see the person falling on the ground and then rolling while on the floor. So it is characterized by a sudden fall of the victim. So at the same time, you notice that the person, apart from losing consciousness, most of them may also throw up some spit, vomiting, foaming from the mouth, and what have you. So it is really a big problem, and there are different types of epilepsy. There is one that is called petit mal or absence epilepsy. Most of these ones, they are like a blank in the head, and the person just suddenly lose consciousness, and then maybe it can appear just very transient, a few seconds, and then the person can recover back. There's another one called tonic or drop attack, popularly called drop attack. The child, is mostly of a child, a seizure, and then the person just maybe a few seconds, like 10 seconds, the person get back to themselves. There's another one called complex partial attack, or it's called the temporal lobe epilepsy. So this one is also it's characterized by a seizure, and it dazes the person, and the person is unaware of her surroundings, and it could result as to memory loss. So the person may experience a distinctive warning sign called an aura even before the incident. But then at the same time, the aura experience may be peculiar, maybe due to some other. There are things that can trigger the aura. So at the end of the day, the person loses consciousness and the person falls on the floor. So the last one is a generalized tonic, or called grand mal. This type of epilepsy is characterized by sudden cries and a fall. So the person cries, shouts, and then he falls. So, and then there's a rigidity. The patient start jerking, movement, and the rest of them. So, but this page is we're talking about natural ways to cure epilepsy. There are different herbs you can use to cure epilepsy. So there are some extracts that you can use to stop it. Extracts such as the midrib of Musa sapientum. Have you heard about the banana or the plantain peels? So this is what you use. You can grind it, the meat stem, you grind it, you extract it, and then the person can drink it. There's another one, the Brephyllum pinantum. That is Odaopwe. It's called Odaopwe in Igbo land, which is beneficial for people with epilepsy. It helps in controlling the nervous system of those people, and it gives that calming effect. So once you see someone having epilepsy, you can just get the Odaopwe. Odaopwe name is Brephyllum pinantum. Plant, you just grind it, and then you give the patient. Then there's still other plants you can also use. You can use the extract of zingiber, that is the ginger officinalis. You can take Diosmum gratissimum, that is the nchuanwu leaf. Then you combine it together, and then the patient can take it. So when you do extract of the ginger, do extract of the Officinum gratissimum, you do extract of the Thymus vulgaris. Thymus vulgaris is normal thyme, and then the Senna accidentalis. These are plants that you can combine together, and you can get a good effect. So you just take them morning and then night. These are ways you can take them, and they work very, very well. So once you see a patient that have that condition, these are natural ways you can deal with it. Combine these plants together, grind them, extract them, give the patient a cup at morning and then the other one at night. So over time, the patient keeps getting better. Then last but not the least, ensure that this patient is also having a good sleep, having a good exercise, making sure that the immune system is right. So thank you very much for today. We'll end it here. So until come the other time, make sure you subscribe, that also you share to other people. The next time we'll be talking more on hows and ways to maintain your good health using natural means. Before then, bye bye for now.